Hello viewers, welcome to this channel one more time. In this episode, I want to discuss foods which are bad for your brain, foods which are bad for your memory and also your concentration. In other words, I want to talk about foods which has negative impacts on your brain functioning, on your memory and also on your concentration. So in essence, after the discussion, if you want to reduce the effects of the negative effects of this force on your brain functioning, memory, and concentration, you just have to reduce the intake of such foods. Subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share, and let's discuss this important topic. One of the foods that has a negative impact on our brain functioning is fish that is high in mercury. Mercury is known to be poisonous to our brains. Fishes that are high in mercury include swordfish, shark, tuna, and king mackerel. Even though we have discussed in our previous video that fish has omega-3 fatty acids that can improve the development of the brain, it is important that we avoid fishes that are high in mercury. Mercury is known to cause disruption in our central nervous system and also in neurotransmitters and therefore can lead to brain damage. So to make sure that our brain health is good, it's important that we avoid fishes that are high in mercury, such as swordfish, shark, king mackerel, and tuna. Sugary drinks have also been shown to cause a negative effect on our brain functions, on our memory, and also on our concentration. Sugary drinks such as soda, um, fruit juice, energy drinks have all been shown to impact on our brains negatively. Too much sugar in the blood has also been shown to lead to type 2 diabetes, and this can in turn lead to poor functioning of our brains. Again, sugary drinks have been shown are known to cause poorer brain functioning even in the absence of diabetes. Excessive sugary drinks have also been shown to cause weight gain, which also in turn leads to poorer brain functioning. So if we want our brains to function at a high level, then it is important that we reduce the excessive intake of sugary drinks such as soda, fruit juice, and energy drinks. Excessive alcohol intake has also been shown to have negative effects on our brain functions and memory. Excessive alcohol intake has been shown to lead to a reduction in brain volume and also some disruptions in neurotransmitters. This can in turn lead to problems in our memory. Again, excessive alcohol intake has been shown to lead to a deficiency in vitamin B1, which is known to help in the development of the brain. So it is important that if we want our brains to perform at the highest level, that we reduce or avoid excessive alcohol intake. Another type of food that is known to cause a negative effect on our brain function and memory is highly processed foods. These are foods that are high in sugar, high in salt, and also high in fat. Examples of such foods include chips, popcorn, and also noodles. Such foods have been shown to lead to an increase in weight. Increase in weight has also been shown to lead to problems in memory and also problems in brain functioning. If we want to be able to overcome our problems in brain functioning by stopping highly processed foods, then it's important that we eat some fruits and vegetables to help improve our memory and brain functioning. Another type of food that has a negative impact on our brains or a negative effect on our brains is refined carbohydrates. Examples of refined carbohydrates are white rice, white flour, and then white bread. Such foods are known to cause an increase in blood sugar levels and also an increase in insulin levels. Such increment can lead to weight gain and then in turn this can also impair our memory. So it is important that if we want our brains and memory to function properly, that we reduce our intake of refined carbohydrates, which are white rice, white flour, and white bread. Another type of food that affects our brain functions and memory and concentration negatively is foods that are high in trans fats. Such foods include cakes, cookies, and margarine. Research has shown that foods that are high in trans fats impair memory and brain functions. It is therefore important that if we want our brains to function at a high level, that we avoid foods that are high in trans fats such as margarine, cakes, and cookies. In conclusion, it is well known that the foods we eat affect our brain functions, memory, and concentration. They either affect our brain functions positively or negatively. Some of the foods that have been shown to affect our brain functions negatively includes sugary drinks, foods that are high in trans fats, and refined carbohydrates. In addition, the damaging effects of alcohol on brain functions and memory has also been widely reported. Subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share, and let's keep discussing these important topics.